実現不能さルーザー取ってつけた極道に振り回されたいオーバーどこかの誰かのリツイート評価の基準はいいですで試されてるようなリアルに答えを探してる暇もないああいうのフィクションの世界でなんや隠してる誰も見せないフェイス人知れず鳴らしたまでに気づいたのは痛いほど僕さ悩み抜いてるその手のジョーカーにシナリオはもう異常事態だって遅すぎた干渉表明に黒幕みたいなライアーフェイス
I wanna be the hero of my story. I wanna love who I am. Arise from the ashes, story, a reference, a reference. I'm tired of being selfless to the selfish. I know sometimes I just can't help it. No more Miss Damsel in distress, whose life is a mess. Yes, I confess that the fault is all mine. I thought the love I gave was mine, but no one came when I wasn't fine. So here I am, alone in my dining room, crying, whining, drinking red wine, straight from the bottle, planning to fix my life tomorrow. I don't deserve the sorrow. I just wanna love who I am. I wanna be the hero of my story. I wanna love who I am. Dreams take me higher into the blue unknown. Feel the fire burning, heart made of stone. Ride with the wild wind, chasing the endless light. Stars in the black night, fuse to ignite. Passion for adventure, living without a rhyme. Crossing the mountains high, playing with time. Roads never traveled, mystery in each turn. Lessons unravel, feel the yearning burn. Eyes on the horizon, courage in every stride. Fear can't divide us, come on let's glide. Passion for adventure, living without a rhyme. Crossing the mountains high, playing with time. Love's not the marvel, courage in every stride. Fear can't divide us, come on let's glide. Passion for adventure, living without a rhyme. Crossing the mountains high, playing with time. ここにある。友達と笑い合う時間、かけがえのない瞬間。空を見上げて広がる世界、勇気を出して一歩前へ。風が強くても負けない